So we're asked to solve the polynomial inequality graphically. So go ahead and just go to, for my class, if you're preparing for like an AP exam, you'll want to use one of those stupid TI-84 calculators. I have no idea how how TI calculators still dominate the industry with all the technology we have. It must be some sort of political scheme or some sort of giant conspiracy theory that somebody's come up with. I don't know why we're still saying all of our tests have to be done with this technology developed in the late 80s, early 90s. It's crazy. Um, but I don't need to get passionate about that. Who cares? If I wind up murdered, you guys need to investigate the TI, the TI calculator industry, Texas Instruments. Okay, so for my class, we're doing this graphically. Go ahead and use Desmos because we're no sheep. No wool has been pulled over our eyes. So you just need to type it in at the left side of the inequality like this. You don't need the less than zero. Does it graph that? Oh, it does, but that might be hard to interpret. So just type it in type it in Desmos like I did. And if you need to get the exponents, Shift 6 to get a caret key. Okay. And then we were asked to say where this is less than zero, so where this is negative. Okay. So the graph is negative over here, and the graph is negative between here and here. So this is negative from negative infinity to 0. I'm going to use a union because there's more places. It's negative from 1 to 1.5. Those are all the x coordinates where the y values are negative. So everything to the left of 0, then we stop there. It's everything between 1 and 1.5. There. So technology is way easier than all that algebra stuff we were doing, right? All that crap. Okay, so we got negative x to the third minus 3x squared. Texas Instruments assassinating somebody. Okay, so here's the graph of the green inequality. Whoa, what a weird graph, huh? That's it. Okay, and we're asked to say where this is greater than or equal to 0. So where is this green graph above the x-axis? This is where it's positive, right? And it looks like it's positive everywhere to the left of 0.388. So the solution for this one is negative infinity, because negative 4, it's going to be positive. If you go to negative 3, you keep tracing this up, eventually you'll hit your graph. It's positive x equals negative 3. It's positive x equals negative 2. Positive x equals negative 1. So from negative infinity to 0.3 something on the x-axis, 0.388, that's where the graph is positive. But look, I changed that parentheses to a bracket because if it's exactly equal to 0.388, like it's asking us here, that's also a solution because it has the or equal to symbol underneath. Okay, so that's all you really have to do for those questions.